Okay, I dug the camera out of the closet. We're back again, filming. We tried to vlog like 2 years ago and realized that we didn't like it. It's not our style. We don't like talking about ourselves or being in front of a camera. But we are doing this amazing project, totally rebuilding our 1984 Land Rover Defender 110. And number one, we want this footage for like way down the road so we can look back and see what kind of massive undertaking we decided to do. And then second, we've had so much interest about what we're doing, so I just thought it would be fun to share this. It's going to be super simple footage, all only about the Defender and what we're doing, but it'll be fun to take you guys along with us and show this project. So I'm excited, Luke's excited, and I think it'll just be a fun thing to do. Pretty much all of our time is spent working on this car right now, any free time we do have. So come along with me, let's go inside the garage and we'll start showing you what we're doing.
It was Katie's favorite car after traveling Europe. She would always point them out, and I knew that that was the surprise I needed to find.
Oh, all right.
When she was gone racing in Europe, I spent a few months looking all over trying to find one. Couldn't find one I wanted, and then one actually came up in Woodland Park, which is only about a half hour away from us. So I jumped on that, went up, picked it up sight unseen, drove it home, and it was quite the experience. Thing's definitely a tractor.
Yep. A British tractor.
British tractor.
Gary.
So after you got home, and I surprised you with it, we went to Grand Junction, which should have been about a 6-hour drive, but it was much more like 8 hours.
It was so slow.
So slow. At this altitude and the age of the thing, it was not doing so well on power. We were going about 30 miles an hour up some of the passes, and it was hilarious. Yeah, that first trip was kind of the start of all this. We knew we wanted to drive the thing all over. We could drive
like
around
North
town.
America, basically.
Yeah, we wanted to be able to go anywhere in it, and in its current state, it was more of just a
dog park.
Yeah, dog park.
Cruiser.
Laugh at how slow it was, and yeah, project sort of snowballed from there. Well, we got it, and I immediately did all the lights and updates, new wheels and tires, just to make it a little more roadworthy. And then we wanted to use it a little more for camping, so we tore the interior out of it and sprayed the whole interior with lizard skin, which is a sound deadening and insulation, which the thing's a tin can, so that helped a lot. And then we needed new seats since the ones that came in it weren't adjustable, and Katie's quite short.
Yeah, I couldn't drive it very well or safely, I don't think.
Yeah, so the seats actually were the real turning point of the whole thing, which she's sitting in the future chair of the truck. But yeah, that kind of truly snowballed into what is now a full build. So for camping, we're going to build out the interior with pull-out kitchen, shower,
awning on the side and the back, like a wraparound awning.
Yep, we got 270 awning, and the biggest upgrade will be the full rooftop conversion. We're using an alu cab rooftop camper, so the whole thing will be replaced with that, and we'll be able to camp from the inside on the Defender.
Yes, our bed will be accessible from the inside. and that'll be great for like bad weather and stuff, I think. And then also that's a massive upgrade, because before we just had the rooftop tent, but that was only accessible from the outside, and then unfortunately that got recalled, so we just went through with the getting our money back process and then upgraded.
Drivetrain is going to be fully replaced with a new LS3, 6-speed manual transmission, full new suspension, new axles, new wheels, new tires, new wires. Everything on this, other than the body, will be new. So the donor vehicle for the motor and transmission is a Camaro.
A totaled
Camaro, low miles. So we got a nearly new LS3 small block motor with a matching transmission, manual, and then we're gonna do a transfer case to make it 4-wheel drive, and hopefully have the reliability and the amenities of a new car in an old British tractor. We are shooting for a possibly unrealistic 3 months to get this on the road as a driving test platform. It's obviously going to need some tweaks, but we have some bets with some friends that March we will be rolling down the road in it. At least the full drivetrain will be in it, and that might be realistic.
Yeah, I think it is.
We'll get into that more, but when I pulled the frame off the body, it's not in as good a shape as I originally thought after sandblasting it, and the amount of things I was going to change with it. I think it's going to be the best final product if I start from scratch and build a whole new frame. It'll be more sturdy, it'll last another 40 years, and why not make more custom stuff? Ooh, is that going to be a surprise, or?
Yes, we'll surprise
Okay.
it. So
But it
guess in the comments if you think we're going to keep it blue or paint it.